Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making our own gallery wall. I always start off by laying it on the floor just to get an idea of how you'd like it to look. It doesn't always go as planned once it's on the wall, but just to get an idea.
Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Alright, so yeah, I'm doing this in my stairway, so it's going to be a little different from how it was on the floor. And I do change it later on because it was missing something, so you just got to play around with it pretty much. The tea I got at Walmart, it was really cheap. It was like $1 something, and I just painted it yellow. The clock was from Dollar General for like $6, and these pictures over here, they were all from Walmart actually. Some of the pictures I used nails, some of them I used those command strips, and some I just used push pins for, so it's really easy. This picture here I also got from Walmart.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is...
You'll see later on that it kept falling off the wall as I was nailing other things up. And this cross I actually got it as a Christmas present. And this picture frame I got is a baby gift for my youngest son.
Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Say it enough.
This picture is from Big Lots. Yeah, that's when that picture fell down. This frame of my son here is from Dollar General. And then Dollar Tree I got this white and green picture from. And this bottom picture I also got from Walmart. And then you can see I kept switching it up because that's what happens once it's on the wall. You just got to play around with it.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.
I decided to move the cross beneath my son's picture because it was kind of bare there, so I think it needed something. So then you'll see me get something totally different to put here. I think it came out nice. I don't know. But yeah, that's my gallery wall. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe with your feedback, and I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you. And thanks for watching so much. I appreciate it.